Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a voice changer on Meta Quest 2. Getting a voice changer on your Meta Quest 2 is simpler than it sounds, and there are three main options. First, you can use a PC-based voice changer like Voice Mode, Vutiki, SoundBot, iMic Phone, or Magic Mic. Connect your Quest 2 to your PC via AirLink for wireless, Oculus Link with a USB-C cable, or a virtual desktop. Install and configure the voice changer on your PC. Set the Quest mic as the input in the app, and choose the virtual output as the mic for your VR Gamer app. Second, for a hardware solution, you can use a voice mod key, which works with MetaQuest 2, 3, and 3S. Plug it in with a USB-C or 3.5 mm audio adapter and enable external mic input in your Quest settings. Finally, you can install a voice changer APK via SideQuest. Download the APK to your PC, use SideQuest to install it on your Quest, and launch it from unknown sources inside the headset. All three methods gives you creative ways to change your voice in VR. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.